2024 Lexus Tx Review. What is the Tx? From station wagons to body-on-frame SUVs and now crossovers, large three-row people haulers have long been part of the American DNA. Lexus already offers a pair of luxurious three rows. Those would be the range-topping LX and the newly revealed next-generation GX, but both ride on truck platforms that traditionally trade comfort for off-road and towing performance. What if your travels keep you on pavement more often than on the trail? Enter the all-new 2024 Lexus Tx. Lexus took what was already good about the Toyota Grand Highlander, that the Tx is based on, like ample cargo capacity and passenger room, and added upscale materials, strengthened the body rigidity for better ride comfort and handling, and upgraded the door seals, and introduced extra sound deadening material to make the cabin quieter. On top of that, the powertrain lineup is reconfigured. With a plug-in hybrid now on the options list, the Tx also comes with Lexus new driver assist and safety tech suite, essential for transporting your loved ones on those long drives to Yosemite and the Grand Canyon. While the Tx makes a lot of sense on paper, other than a little extra leather and a new powertrain, there's not much that differentiates the Tx from the Grand Highlander. Take the badges off the front, and only the most clued-in observer will be able to separate the premium SUV from its more pedestrian counterpart. To the design team who penned the Tx, congrats, you earned your early lunch break. What's under the Tx's hood? The 2024 Lexus Tx comes with three different powertrains. The Tx 350 kicks things off with a turbocharged 2.4-litre four-cylinder paired to an 8-speed automatic at 275 horsepower and 317 pounds-ft of torque. Output is fairly modest, but it is a little more potent than an entry-level Audi Q7. Stepping up to the Tx 500 hours adds a hybrid system to this engine, boosting output to 366 horsepower and 409 pounds-ft, and swaps in a 6-speed automatic. Both front and all-wheel drive are offered on the Tx 350, while the Tx 500 hours comes standard with or, finally, the Tx 550 hours Plus comes with a 3.5-litre V6 matched to a plug-in hybrid system. This is the first time we're seeing this AWD powertrain in any Toyota or Lexus product. Total output between the two power units stands at 406 horsepower, with torque not yet disclosed. Lexus says the Tx 550 hours can deliver 33 miles of range under F-Power alone, which can be hugely beneficial for families that use this vehicle to transport kids to school and shop locally. The Tx 350 and 550 hours will be available at launch, with the plug-in available at a later date. How's the Tx's interior? The Tx's cabin offers a roomy and practical space for all passengers, even in the third row. The seating configuration is to 3 to front to rear, though you can opt for captain's chairs in the middle row if you want to prioritize second row comfort over maximum passenger capacity. There's enough leather and soft touch material to let you know you're in a Lexus, but there's also enough plastic to remind you it's based on the Toyota. The 14-inch infotainment touchscreen is vibrant and decently responsive, with knobs to adjust the volume and climate temperature easily reachable for both driver and front passenger. The front seats feature comfortable cushions and enough bolstering to keep you from moving around too much in corners. It's the same in the second row, at least in the model equipped with captain's chairs that we were able to climb into. The third row isn't quite as accommodating, with flat bench seats and more plastic trim in the surrounding area. At least the seats have power recline and decent padding. How's the Tx's tech? As with the newly unveiled Lexus GX, the Tx features a 14-inch touchscreen with a user interface similar to the ones in recent Toyota and Lexus products. We find it intuitive and fairly user-friendly. and it's a major improvement over the last generation system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard with plenty of power ports available throughout the cabin, 7 USB-Cs and 3 outlets in total. Also available is an optional head-up display, which is useful for keeping pertinent information in your direct line of sight while you concentrate on navigating through traffic. Finally, every TX comes standard with an impressive array of electronic driver assist and safety systems to help you on the move. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, pre-collision safety systems, and lane keeping and lane departure systems with steering assist, just to name a few, helps you traverse suburban chaos and reduce the stress and fatigue common on long commutes and road trips. If you'd like even more assistance, an available advanced park system helps with perpendicular and parallel parking for you. Or DO feels, there's a 20-watt speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound system, available with any powertrain. How's the TX's storage? The TX offers plenty of storage options, with numerous cubbies and small pockets located throughout the cabin for loose change or device placement. Cargo capacity is the highlight here, since the TX is said to have 20.1 cubic feet of storage. Behind the third row, for context, you can hold 7 carry-on suitcases in the rear cargo area, or 1 suitcase per person. Dropping the third row expands the cargo area to 57.4 cubic feet, and 97 cubes if you fold the second row as well. How economical is the TX? The TX should deliver competitive fuel economy numbers according to the estimates provided by Lexus. The TX 350 is quoted at 21 mpg combined, though it wasn't specified if that was 4 FWD or AWD. The TX 500 hours is estimated at 24 mpg, while the TX 550 hours plus is estimated to get 30 mpg. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more video.